start. Okay, 1.1, that would be the introduction. So what's thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a study of energy. It mainly concerns with the nature of energy and energy conversion. Refrigeration system, air conditioning, steam turbines, etc. utilize the principle in thermodynamics to perform their functions. Students studying mechanical engineering are required to learn thermodynamics in an engineering perspective, not only because it is the curriculum requirement. Rather, it is the prerequisite for most of the courses related to energy, including fluid mechanics, that is a Mechan 2210, and heat transfer, that is Mechan 3310, and more. Okay? And also, if you would like to work in the energy industry, you also need to know some knowledge in thermodynamics so that you won't design some machines that cannot operate at all. Okay? Students studying thermodynamics are required to have taken basic calculus, that's Math 1013 and 1014, as well as some physics classes, for example, Physics 1112, so that they will have sufficient background for understanding the principles in this course. Okay? There are two fundamental laws in thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics is about the conservation of energy principle, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, i.e. the total amount of energy in the universe is constant. The second law of thermodynamics is about the quality of energy, which states that quality of energy must decrease in an actual process. A very typical example is that heat must flow in a natural way from high temperature to low temperature. Okay? If you would like to make the heat flow from the low temperature to high temperature, you must have some input to force this kind of heat flow. Okay? The first law is studied in detail in chapters 2 to 5, while the second law is studied in chapter 6 to 7. Substances are made of molecules. The behavior of molecules greatly determines the property of the substance. However, the properties of a substance can be obtained by other means. For instance, a pressure gauge can be used to obtain the pressure of oxygen in a container, while a thermometer can be used to obtain the temperature of water. The branch of thermodynamics that studies macroscopic properties without knowing the actual behavior of molecules is called classical thermodynamics. Another branch is called statistical thermodynamics, in which the average behavior of molecules is observed. In this course, we will only focusing on engineering application of thermodynamics, so the second branch is only supplementary to the first branch. Okay, that's the end of section 1.1. We will go to section 1.2.